One. Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of grayed out on Shazam. You click on settings. Here in this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this page you will search about Shazam and you will click here in this page. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.